I don't see a baby there, so we better than I get out of work. We won't. I feel like the rest of the week right with it. Good morning, everyone. Again, today is March the 21st, 2024. We're at Presidio County Courthouse on Jose Portillo. I'm the county judge, and I will be presiding over arraignments and doing pre-trials today. So, good morning, state. Good morning, defense. Good to see you all here. And we'll go ahead and get started with arraignments. Cause number 6661, the state of Texas versus Juan Andres Garcia Porras.
In the full chamber of the public defenders from Mr. Porras, we file a waiver of arraignment in that case.
Okay,
We also have an offer already from the state. We don't have discovery, but I think we've asked for it yet. We'll get that, and that this will be wrapped up next month.
okay, good. So, and I recall this case. We made it back onto arraignments, but I remember you waiting. Or was that before?
We filed it yesterday.
Oh, good. All right, so we're good. In fact, I'm moving forward. Thank you very much for that, Alfred.
Thank you, Judge.
So, cause number 6669, the state of Texas versus Abraham Garcia. Abraham Garcia.
Thanks, Woody.
The and this is just I'm fixing to call his name again, but it's a driving while licensed and valid. Is it a C or a B?
B.
It's a B.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. The state of Texas versus Abraham Garcia. Cause number 6883, the state of Texas versus Samuel Porras Madrid.
We reached out to them, and I didn't get a response.
Okay,
I heard it's before today.
I guess it's a speeding appeal. Not that it matters that much. Is it from the justice of the peace 1 or 2? Okay, very good. So Samuel Porras Madrid. Samuel Porras Madrid. Cause number 6956, the state of Texas versus Alicia Irene Estrada.
Said had any contact with her.
Thank you so much. Alicia Irene Estrada. Alicia Irene Estrada. Cause number 6979, the state of Texas versus Jose Luis Ruiz. Looks like the next 5 or 6 cases are speeding appeals.
Yes, sir, we've had no contact with Mr. Ruiz.
Mhm.
The next case, 6983
Yeah, that one looks like.
is, and he's asked to be set for the next stop. 6983 and, what's this one, please?
This one's, let's do. Very much fun.
Yeah, the following one.
6986, you know about that.
I do.
69,
So,
We had a layoff at 6999 and we should resolve that without any meeting on the next docket.
okay, let me have that.
The contact is 721.
David, how are you?
6999,
Yeah, 799, we've been in contact with the defendant, and he's going to accept the plea.
You don't know how to hear your shit? No, I think you should. Okay, that's fine. Oh, you're, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me go back to, the second calling of 6979, the state of Texas versus Jose Luis Ruiz. Jose Luis Ruiz. And then, and I interrupted you, Mr. Cotton. We discussed the following 2 cases that have movement. And we'll move on to cause number 6999, the state of Texas versus James Robert Husky.
these should be.
He said we reached an agreement on that case, and it'll be resolved, that may be placed on the next docket.
Okay, very good. And the following one is, it looks like they're combined. There's cause number 7021-A and cause number 7034 under the same defendant, the state of Texas versus Victor Maldonado Martinez.
We appeal, we've had no contact with the defendant.
Okay. Victor Maldonado Martinez. Victor Maldonado Martinez. Looks like the following one, the state has reached an agreement in 7107.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we'll move on to cause number 7131. The state of Texas versus Saul Baeza.
All chambers for public defender for Mr. Baez, the judge will follow waiver around that case as well.
Okay. So I'm sure I'll get those today, and so we'll move on to pre-trial.
We still have. Number 793.
Okay. Cause number 7133, the state of Texas versus Jesus Manuel Cruz Luna.
No contact.
Okay.
From my office.
Jesus Manuel Cruz Luna. Terroristic threat, class B.
Like, so, Your Honor.
Jesus Manuel Cruz Luna. Ms. Nunez, that's the last one on the
Arraignments is that.
arraignment. And we'll move on to pre-trials. It looks like they finally got combined. It's cause number 6599 and then cause number 7132. The state of Texas versus John Michael Serrano.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joshua Spence on behalf of Mr. Serrano.
How are you, Mr. Spencer?
Doing good, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing well. How's the weather in El Paso?
It's nice. It's nice. How's the weather down there?
Same thing. It's been nice. It's kind of cool and hot and cool and hot.
Right.
Okay. So go ahead, proceed, Mr. Spencer.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, I just received discovery on that second case that the state was informing us about, and so I'd like to see if we can if I can have time to review that and then follow up with the state for further investigation negotiations.
Mr. Prado, proceed if they offer to resolve both cases, Judge.
Okay.
So each case is proceed if they offer.
And they have all the discovery.
Yes.
Just what's in the video.
With the exception of the video, would be sent out, and we'll be sending that to him.
Did you hear that, Mr. Spencer?
Yes, Judge, I know I'm missing some videos and I know that's forthcoming, so I look forward to getting that.
Okay. Do you have anything else? Does the state have anything? Mr. Spencer, do you have anything else?
Nothing at this time, Judge. Nothing else.
So I suspect a continuance,
Reset, please.
we'll reset it for April. Is that agreeable to you, Mr. Spencer?
Yes, Your Honor, please. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, and I don't see you on, anywhere else on the pre-trials. Is this your last one, Mr. Spencer?
Yes, Judge, I only have one on the docket. Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much. We appreciate it and you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Cause number 7119, the state of Texas versus Lorinda Carrillo.
Well, Tim, we keep the public defender for this, judge. She's not here.
Okay,
I don't know why she's not here. She was aware of court. However, I've asked to pass this particular case in touch. There are several cases that Ms. Camillo had right now. Some of them are open to the county attorney's office, some of them may end up being felons. And I'd like to get a universal offer for all of the cases to sort of wrap everything up. But that's my answer.
My mistake, she's arrested for a little golf case in February 24th. There may be other cases. I don't mind trying to make an offer to resolve all the cases, I know that excuses her from being able to share the lawyer.
Well, it sounds like she got a full plate. Hopefully, if they'll all get straightened out or she'll get straightened out, one or the other. So, do you have an issue with the continuance? No. So, neither do I. So we'll go ahead and hopefully give you some more time to wrap your mind around everything that's going on. You're very welcome. So continuance is granted. Cause number 6836, the state of Texas versus Yvonne Michelle Beltran.
Paul Chambers, the public defender for Ms. Beltran. He's here, Judge. We have an agreement. I don't know if the state can give me that paperwork today, but if they do, you'd be able to enter it today. It's a diversion agreement, so.
Okay. State?
Yeah, that's correct, Your Honor.
You-
I'll receive the paperwork today.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
I appreciate it. Cause number 7121, the state of Texas versus Shane Alexander.
Paul Chambers with the public defender for Mr. Alexander, Judge. We haven't been able to get contact with Mr. Alexander for this particular docket. We do have an offer from the state. I expect my client to take it. But I don't have an excuse for him not to be here. I've asked for him not to issue a warrant for him because I'm a criminal defense attorney and I don't want my client in jail. I understand whatever decision the court makes.
State?
We might have least offer, but he's supposed to be here, so that's all I can say.
Well, if
Doesn't
you,
go here.
yeah, I hope, and again, if you would tell him, and we won't issue a warrant today.
Okay.
If you tell him that, and if you can make note of this, it's her and my, and Ms. Nunez, if you would make note that he must be present for the next, pre-trial. He must be present.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, you're welcome. I see, is that the last one I have?
There's one more on the left page.
From the 122.
Okay. Cause number 7122, the state of Texas versus Roderick Lee Britton.
Well, Chambers with the public defender for Mr. Brennan, he's here, Judge. Our announcement is that, I believe that the state has gotten in contact with the alleged victim in this case. The expectation is that alleged victim will be signing an affidavit of non-prosecution, which, from my understanding, would mean that the case would have end up being dismissed. I don't know when that's going to happen. I would ask the court to excuse Mr. Brittingham from the next docket so we can try to get that wrapped up, and if it doesn't get signed, then put him back on the docket a month later.
And you were present at the last, pretrial also, weren't you?
He was, Judge.
You were. Does the state have anything?
No, that's also my understanding. And the alleged victim has been contacted from my office.
Okay, so that's moving forward.
Yes,
Yeah, I guess you can confirm that.
we can confirm it for attention as follow non-prosecution activity.
Right, until it's not a dot on it and it's not, the T is not. Right, so but that's where the check is going, very good. And I will grant, your request for, Mr. Britton to not have to be present next go around, and hopefully this will get, resolved, before that date anyway.
Thank you, Judge.
You're very welcome.
Is Mr. Britton excused, Judge?
He is excused, thank you.
Can I offer you this?
Yes, I'm not right.
Absolutely.
Ms. Santucci?
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, I'm just standing by.
Yeah, thank you so much for attending. We run through our docket. So you may also, be excused and,
Thank you.
I think we have a, guardianship coming up. Are you going to be the interpreter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I responded to the email that that I could do that on the 2nd of April.
Well, you're welcome to join us. It's gonna be in Presidio.
Yes.
You're welcome to join us online, but if you want to make the drive down there, I'd love to see you.
Oh, okay. So it will be via Zoom also? There'll be a Zoom link?
It can, if you can't travel, yes, I can send you Zoom link. If you need.
Well, I can, either way, whatever is preferable, I'm open. I'm open on that date, so it's fine.
Okay.
Sounds like you have options. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ms. Loretta, she's here. She just say,
Okay, I'll go back. Oh, so you're present, but we already discussed your case. Did you want to visit with her?
I'm gonna talk to her before I leave today, Judge, but other than that, I have another announcement for the court. I just want to make sure that you knew that she was here.
Very good. I'll make sure to make note of that. Just running a little late. Yes, no, it's fine. They're good. Okay, anything else? I think I think my bailiff already went out to go do, make his announcements, at the front of the courthouse. And I'll wait for him. And so if you guys want to.
Keep us waiting on that paperwork, Judge, and then I'll be good to go.
There's coffee in the back. My admin, my administrative assistant has a nutritious snacks in a little bowl back there. So. You raise your hand. Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. If you go to the Presidio courthouse and call the names of Abraham Garcia, Samuel Juarez Madrid, Alicia Irene Estrada, Jose Luis Cruz, Victor Maldonado Martinez, and Jesus Manuel Cruz Medina. Yes, sir. Did any of them respond? No, did anyone come forward? No, you didn't. Thank you very much. For the clerk and Ms. Nunez, we will issue a judgment of 9-side in those instances for failing to appear. Does the state have anything else? No. Defense? No, Your Honor. So I think we're officially done. It is 10:26 a.m. and we are